How to add product categories in Shopify store. So let's start by going in our products first of all. And if you haven't added your product right now, you can add it by tapping on the add product on the top right corner, and this will take you to this page where you just need to add the title, a nice description, and a particular image, and simply add all of these on-screen instructions, which includes pricing, quantity, and weight as well. So once you are done with your product, you can also add your product category when you are adding your product by tapping on the product category. Now let's say you want to add it after that, so you can simply head over to your product category right in here and simply search for your category. So in my case, it is apparel and accessories, and in the product type you can also add your own custom category. So let's say I want to go with t-shirt. Once you are done, you can also add your vendor, which is actually a name of it. Once you are done, in the collection you can also add, let's say, summer collection or something else like that. But you have to keep in mind, if you haven't created any collection, this will not shows up in the collection tab. So you have to create one by going with the collections on the top left corner. So once you are done with all of that, you can also add your tags depending on your need. Once you are done, tap on the save on the top right corner and you're good to go. So that was the process of how you can add product categories on Shopify store.